Understanding Commercial Drones, an essential guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and modern topic, commercial drones. Drones have become increasingly popular, and understanding this concept is not only interesting but also useful in today's world. So, let's dive in and learn about what commercial drones are and how they're used. Before we talk about commercial drones, it's important to understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft that can fly without a human pilot on board. Drones are controlled remotely by a person or autonomously by onboard computers. They are known for their versatility and are used in various fields. Now, let's focus on commercial drones. These are drones used for commercial purposes, meaning they're used in business and for profit. Unlike recreational drones, which are used for personal enjoyment, commercial drones are employed in various industries for tasks like aerial photography, surveying land, delivering goods, and more. The key aspect here is the commercial intent, using drones to support or conduct business activities. Commercial drones have a wide range of applications. Here are a few notable ones. Aerial photography and videography, used in filmmaking, real estate, and tourism. Agriculture, helps in monitoring crops and distributing pesticides. Surveying and mapping, useful in construction, mining, and land surveying. Delivery services, innovating the way goods are delivered, especially in remote areas. With the rise of commercial drones, there are important legal and ethical considerations. Many countries have specific regulations for flying commercial drones, like requiring special licenses and adhering to flight restrictions. Ethical concerns include privacy issues, as drones can capture images and videos of private properties. The future of commercial drones is incredibly promising. Advancements in technology are making drones more efficient, reliable, and accessible. We're likely to see an increase in their usage across different sectors, possibly transforming how businesses operate. Thank you for joining us to learn about commercial drones. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this modern and evolving technology. Stay curious, and keep learning new things. See you in our next video.